Hey everybody, welcome back to the Research Survival Guide. By now, you've crafted a stellar research question, gathered credible sources, and sharpened those essential research skills. Today we're tackling a new challenge, presenting your research like a pro. So get ready to turn those late-night study sessions into an amazing presentation that wows your audience. Let's dive in. Alright, researchers, today's mission is all about transforming your hard-earned knowledge into a compelling story. Whether you're presenting at a conference, defending your thesis, or sharing your findings with your classmates. This episode is packed with tips and tricks to help you shine. Ready to become a presentation master? Yeah, let's go. First things first, know your audience. As cliche as this sounds, you have to know your audience. Imagine you're throwing a party. You wouldn't plan the same party for a group of friends as you would for your colleagues, right? Or as you would for your family members. The same goes for your presentation. Are you presenting to experts in your field, a general audience, or is it your peers? Tailor your presentation to their level of understanding and interest. For a general audience, avoid jargon and explain concepts in really simple terms. For experts, dive deeper into the technical details and methodologies. And for your peers, maybe strike a balance between the two. The better you know your audience, the more engaging your presentation will be. It's like knowing your party guests. It makes all the difference. Next up is structuring your presentation. A well-structured presentation is like a well-planned road trip. You wouldn't embark on a journey without a map, right? The same goes for your presentation. Here's a little roadmap to keep you on track, let's say. First things first is, of course, an introduction. Start strong to grab your audience's attention, introduce your topic, and explain its importance. Keep it simple and to the point. Then, discuss your methodology. Describe the methods you used in your research, and this is where you show off your research process and what you did. After that, move on to the findings. Present your main findings with supporting evidence. Think of this as the scenic route. Show the highlights. And then comes the discussion. Interpret your findings and explain their significance. Why do your research matter? What's the bigger picture, to say the least? And then, of course, you have to close it up. You write a little conclusion, you summarize your key points, and suggest future research directions. Leave your audience with a clear understanding of your research. So the roadmap is very simple. First an introduction, then the methodology, findings, discussion, and then a conclusion. You could have simply 5 slides or 100. As long as you're keeping it simple, that's what matters most. Remember, clarity and flow are your best friends. Guide your audience through your research journey step by step. Now, your introduction is your chance to hook your audience right from the start. Think of it as your presentation's opening act. You want to make it memorable. Start with a compelling story, a surprising fact, or a thought-provoking question. For example, if your research is about climate change, you might start with an anecdote about a recent extreme weather event and its impact. Then briefly, maybe introduce yourself and your research topic, explain why it matters, what's at stake, why should your audience care. Remember, first impressions count, and a strong introduction sets the tone for the rest of your presentation. Visuals are your secret weapon. They can make your presentation more engaging and help your audience understand complex information. But beware, not all visuals are created equal. Here are some tips for creating visuals that enhance your message. First, consistency. Use a consistent color and font style throughout your presentation. This creates a cohesive look. followed by, of course, keeping it clear. So clarity is very important. Make sure text is large enough to read and visuals are clear. Avoid clutter. Each slide should convey one main idea. You don't have to write everything on the slide. You can do that on your notes. And of course, keep the presentation and its visuals relevant. Ensure every visual directly supports a point you're making. Don't use images or charts just for the sake of it. It has to have a point. Tools like PowerPoint, Keynote, and Canva can help you create professional and appealing visuals. But remember, visuals should be like the illustration in a storybook. They should enhance the story, not distract from it. Now, let's talk about delivery. The way you present is just as important as where you present. Imagine you're telling a fantastic story. Your enthusiasm and confidence can make all the difference. Here's how to nail your delivery. Speak slowly and clearly. The pace is important. Pause for emphasis. You have to give your audience time to absorb information. Rushing through your presentation can leave your audience behind. And then tone. Vary your tone to keep your audience engaged. Avoid monotone delivery. Show your passion and excitement for your topic. Don't use just the same voice. Try to play with your voice a little bit. And then, of course, use body language. Use gestures to emphasize points. Make eye contact with the audience. And maybe move around the space if possible. Your body language can convey confidence and help keep your audience's attention. Practice in front of a mirror if that helps. Record yourself or rehearse with friends to get feedback and improve. The more you practice, the more natural delivery will become. And remember, practice makes perfect. Now, the day is here and you're maybe presenting. Handling Q&A sessions can be daunting, but it's a great opportunity to showcase your experience and engage with your audience. And here's how to handle it like a pro. Of course, preparation is key. Anticipate potential questions and prepare answers. Think about what your audience might be curious about or what aspects of your research might need, for instance, further explanation. Keep your presentation clear so that you have clarity in your mind when you're actually given the Q&A or handling the Q&A. If you're unsure about a question, ask for clarification before answering. Now, a clear presentation plus asking for clarity is a key. Clarity in every step of the way is key for you to ensure that you have what it takes to be a successful presenter. Now, honesty is also key. If you don't know the answer to a question, it's okay to admit it and offer to follow up later. Honesty builds credibility. Have conversations with people when you finish the presentation and follow up with them. Now, engagement is important. Address the entire audience when answering, not just the person who asked the question. Maybe there are other people who wanted to ask the same question. So addressing everyone in the room is just as important. This keeps everyone involved and ensures your response is heard by all. Remember, it's about engaging in a dialogue, not just answering questions. It's your chance to interact with your audience and show your passion for your research. And as you present, presentation anxiety is real, and it's something many people face. The key is to channel that nervous energy into enthusiasm for your topic. You can manage it through preparation. The better you prepare, the more comfortable you get with the material. Your breathing, practice deep breathing techniques to calm your nerves. And also visualization. Visualize yourself succeeding and the audience responding positively. This can help boost your confidence. Positive thinking is key. Focus on the positive aspects of your presentation and what would go right. Don't think about what would go wrong. Yet, confidence comes with practice. So the more you present, the more comfortable you'll become. And remember, Even seasoned presenters get a little nervous. It's all part of the process. Now, before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to make your presentation shine. Now, keep it concise, aim for clarity and brevity. Your audience will always appreciate a focused presentation. And then, engage with your audience. Ask questions and include interactive elements to keep your audience involved. And then have a backup plan. Prepare for technical glitches and have a plan B. This could be printed handouts or a backup device with your presentation. We never know what would happen. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity goes a long way in making your presentation memorable. You've got this. You'll be okay. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you're ready to present your research like a pro. Now, in the next episode, we'll dive into how to handle feedback and use it to improve your work. Thanks for tuning in to the Research Survival Guide. Keep practicing, stay confident, and happy presenting. Good luck.